your kitchen countertops. Stay with us, we're going to show you a great way to use our amazing faux pas. I'm going to show you a beautiful rendition of a granite. So we used our surface prep deglosser, cleaned this really well, and got it on, stuck down with a base coat on here of our great color cashmere, our true white. I'm going to show you how to give your countertops a brand new look. Here's how you're going to do it. I'm going to show you first using the color Abby. This is going to create a beautiful neutral finish. Faux pas 2 is what this one is, and one's green, one's gray. So you'll see there's a difference in the color of them, that's so you can see which one you have. And I'll show you the pattern of this one. It's a little thicker and a little heavier, so it gives a different look. You can put on the paint onto your roller using your Syntec brush. This works over the back of your hand. You just slip it onto your hand and begin to start pressing, and that's why I say anyone can do it. Doesn't matter what your skill set is. You're just going to start layering on these little light lines and granite feel, and right now it's going to look a little bit crazy. So
trust the process.
Trust the process. The dry roller, now this is where the magic begins, so don't eliminate this step. You're going to dry roll over all of this while it's still wet. And you'll see it begin to pick up some of the little bit of the residual stamping here that's still kind of wet, and that's going to work to your advantage. It's going to help you tone and start to begin to blend out and soften some of the color, which is called Coliseum, and it is just a little bit of a gray white. And it's going to sit right on top of this, and just going to do the same thing. This has got a lot of movement and stands out boldly in your room. What you don't want is people walk in and go, "Did you paint your countertop?" That's not what you want. You want it to read as a soft, natural element in the room. And the way you're going to achieve that is you're going to use the whitewash antiquing. And the way you do that is just put it on like I'm doing here, and just brush it out and take a dry rag and just softly blend. You can do it with your brush. And that's just going to really set it in there. Just kind of soften and blur the lines. Using the whitewash antiquing gel gives you that beautiful feeling of stone. So once this dries again, you're going to wait. After you finish your last step in your process, you're going to wait for 48 full hours before you use your water resistant sealer that comes along right here in your bundle. Like and follow for more great DIY tips.